Today I'm taking you through a day in my life as a pre-med student. Threw on this fit today with a jacket. I had Spanish and research today. So I went to Spanish where I learned how to pronounce R's in Spanish, and we learned a passive voice. So I headed to a dining hall to pack my lunch and get breakfast. I got this good view of Stegman Coliseum on the way. The bus to get to research took forever to get to the stop, but I finally got to my research lab. I did a maxi prep and did CRISPR today. Between that, I had lunch. I went outside to look at the eclipse that was happening today. I saw these crescent moon-shaped shadows. Then after I was done my research for the day, I locked the lab up and left. My friend Sammy took me home. I didn't have a lot of homework for this week because there wasn't any exams. So I went and played volleyball with the boys for a while. And then it got dark, so we went inside, and I played Madden with my friend Julian, and I ended up going home after and going to bed. And that was it for the day. I had no homework, so it was a pretty enjoyable day, and I will see you guys next time.